Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing something very special, the BOYA Magic, the world's first AI-powered transformable wireless microphone. BOYA calls it One Mic, 4 forms, and it's designed to give creators pro-level audio in almost any situation while being small enough to carry everywhere. What makes it even more impressive is its marker-size portability. Yes, it's literally about the size of a marker, so you can slide it into your pocket, a pen loop, or even hold it like a highlighter. In this review, I'll take you through the unboxing, highlight its main features and specs, demonstrate how it transforms into its 4 different forms, talk about the BOYA Central app, share some pro tips, and wrap up with my final thoughts. When you open the box, you'll find the charging case with 2 transmitters and 2 magnets, a BOYA desktop stand, 2 fur windshields for the transmitters, 1 fur windshield and 4 multicolored foam windscreen for the charging case, a USB-C receiver and a Lightning receiver, a 3.5mm TRS receiver, a 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable, both a USB-C to USB-A and a USB-C to USB-C data cable, an adjustable lanyard holder with magnetic plate for the transmitter, plus the documentation and user manual, an all-in-one storage bag. It's a complete package that's ready for phones, cameras, or computers right out of the box. Now let's talk about what makes this system so interesting. At its core, the BOYA Magic is all about versatility. It's a 4-in-1 microphone that transforms into clip-on, handheld, desktop, and on-camera setups. The transmitters are incredibly lightweight, only about 7 grams, and so slim you barely notice them when clipped on. The audio quality goes up to 48 kHz, 24-bit with a full 20 Hz to 20 kHz response, which is solid for capturing clear, natural voice. One of the standout features is true AI noise cancellation, which BOYA claims reduces background noise by up to -40 decibels in strong mode. You can choose between light and strong modes depending on your environment. On top of that, you get audio safety features like a built-in limiter to protect against clipping and a safety track that records at a lower volume in case something gets too loud. That's double peak protection built right in, and it's something professionals really appreciate. Let's walk through the 4 forms in real use. First, the clip-on form. You attach 1 transmitter directly to your collar or shirt. It's so small and light you can almost forget it's there, making it perfect for vlogs, interviews, or any hands-free situation. Next is the handheld form. You simply slide the transmitter into the handheld grip, and you now have a wireless mic for quick interviews or reporting. What's neat here is that the button on the grip directly controls the transmitter inside the case, giving you simple one-hand operation. Third is the desktop form. By placing a transmitter upright on the included stand or charging case, it becomes a compact broadcast mic, ideal for podcasts, streaming, or Zoom calls while keeping your desk uncluttered. Finally, the on-camera form. Mount the receiver on your camera's cold shoe and connect it with the included TRS cable. This setup is lightweight and discreet, great for run and gun shoots, weddings, or travel vlogging, where you need reliable wireless audio without a bulky kit. That's what BOYA means by One Mic, 4 forms. It's truly a flexible tool that adapts to whatever you're shooting. Managing the system is made easy through the BOYA Central app. From there, you can switch between noise reduction modes, pick EQ presets for voice or music, check battery levels, and even update firmware. Having all of that in one app makes it simple to set up your gear quickly before a shoot and ensure everything is working smoothly. A few pro tips will make your workflow even better. You can keep 1 transmitter charging in the top slot of the case while using the other, so you're never caught with a dead battery. The handheld grip button, as I mentioned, directly controls the transmitter inside the case, which makes for an intuitive single-hand workflow. If you're on a long shoot, you can also charge a transmitter directly with BOYA's contact charging cable, which is sold separately. And don't forget to use the included fur windshield for outdoor windy conditions and the foam windscreen when you're indoors for clean, clear voice capture. Think about the real-world scenarios this covers. As a vlogger, you can clip the mic on and shoot hands-free. As a reporter, you can use the handheld form for quick street interviews. As a podcaster or remote worker, the desktop form works as a clear broadcast-style mic. And as a filmmaker, the on-cam form gives you a low-profile but powerful wireless solution. When you're done, everything packs away into a case about the size of a marker, which is something no other wireless mic kit really offers right now. So, what are my final thoughts? The BOYA Magic delivers on its promise of versatility and portability. The 4 forms actually make a difference in real shoots, the AI noise cancellation is impressive, and the limiter plus safety track give you the confidence to record without worrying about ruined takes. It's rare to see a mic system this small that can cover so many use cases, and that makes it stand out. If you'd like to check out the BOYA Magic for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description where you can pre-order or learn more. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews and audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.